To succeed in your financial journey, it's essential to uncover the hidden secrets of money and grasp its true nature. Interestingly, individuals who often face challenges in this area are the middle class and the poor. A report by the Pew Research Center revealed that a significant portion of the U.S. population, approximately 52%, belongs to the middle class and is likely to remain in that category throughout their lives. Imagine the possibilities if they were aware of these invaluable money secrets that could empower them to overcome their current financial circumstances. This video aims to uncover 10 secrets about money that remain a mystery to the middle class and the poor. Number 1. Time is priceless. The wealthy understand the value and significance of time as a crucial asset. They recognize that many investments accumulate interest over a duration, meaning the timing of one's investments directly influences the resulting earnings. What you choose to invest in today will determine your future position. Even small amounts invested over an extended period can yield substantial returns down the line. Therefore, it is advisable to start your investment journey without delay, regardless of the initial amount available. Time has the power to amplify humble beginnings, especially when entrusted to reputable and reliable investment channels. Simplify your saving or investment process by setting up standing orders or utilizing automated systems, whether on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Number 2. You can start investing with little money. Many individuals avoid investing due to limited financial resources or low incomes. However, it's important to recognize that you can begin investing with whatever amount you currently have and save with a specific goal in mind. The only difference between someone with substantial funds and yourself is that it may take you a longer period of time to accumulate savings with your smaller contributions. Unfortunately, the poor and middle class often overlook this fact and dismiss opportunities, citing their limited resources as an excuse. Yet, if you allocate your modest savings to an account, or let them accumulate interest, the power of compounding will pleasantly surprise you as your money grows steadily. Unfortunately, the poor tend to exhaust all their earnings without saving, resulting in a continual decline in their financial status. This hidden truth, coupled with patience, has the potential to generate long-term wealth creation. Number 3. Leave below your means. Indulging in careless spending is a surefire path to enduring poverty. It can lead to a situation where every hard-earned coin is swiftly depleted, often resulting in mounting debts. In contrast, wealthy individuals exercise budgetary control and make wise spending choices. They prioritize purchasing only what is necessary or truly essential. This approach holds particular importance when starting out, but as time passes and income allows, it becomes feasible to spend, while ensuring there is still enough left to generate further wealth. Prior to making any purchases, it is crucial to consider any outstanding debts, allocate a portion of earnings towards savings, and settle all bills. Although it may be tempting to utilize idle funds sitting in the bank account, it is wiser to invest them rather than succumbing to impulsive spending without a plan. The mindset of spending merely for the purpose of displaying wealth is harmful, and many wealthy individuals actively avoid it. Some may choose to maintain their current lifestyle, even if they have accumulated substantial wealth, making it challenging to discern their true financial status. Number 4. Money shouldn't sit idle in a savings account. Not everyone may be aware that keeping money in a savings account does not yield significant benefits, as banks typically offer low interest rates. Unfortunately, the poor and middle class tend to leave their funds in these accounts due to a perceived sense of safety, even though the returns are minimal. It is important to consider investing your savings in carefully researched investment opportunities that can generate higher returns. The crucial point is to ensure that your hard-earned money is actively working for you. After years of diligent saving and self-restraint, it does not make economic sense to let your savings remain idle. Number 5. Make your money work for you. In many instances, there is a prevailing belief that one must work in order to acquire money. While this notion holds some truth, it can also confine individuals to limited earning potential. The primary constraint is time, as it restricts the amount one can earn within a given period. Relying solely on hard work, which is often the approach taken by those in the middle class and lower income brackets, does not always lead to wealth. The wealthy understand that this perspective is not necessarily accurate, and instead, prioritize making their money work for them. They actively seek opportunities that guarantee passive income generation. Rental properties and diverse investment avenues, such as bonds, currencies, forex, fixed deposits, and cryptocurrency trading, are among the primary sources of passive income. Acquiring knowledge is vital when venturing into investments to ensure wise decision-making, taking into account various factors and associated risks across each stream of passive income. Number 6. Streams of income. The middle class and those in poverty often find comfort in relying on a single source of income and are unaware of this hidden truth about money. However, the wealthy have a different approach. They do not depend solely on one income stream, but instead establish multiple sources of revenue. On the other hand, the poor and many individuals in the middle class limit themselves to one source of income, deceiving themselves with the notion that they will become wealthy over time. Yet, true financial abundance arises from multiple streams of earnings and income sources. When you have multiple income streams, you benefit by spreading risks and protecting yourself against failure if one source falters. Number 7. Seeking professional financial guidance. Not everyone has mastery in all areas. Even wealthy individuals may not possess comprehensive knowledge of money, investments, and financial matters. Many of them recognize the value of professional advice and appreciate the role it plays in their wealth creation journey. Although it may entail additional costs, the wealthy understand the significant contributions that financial advisors can bring. With the assistance of a financial advisor, their wealth is likely to grow rapidly and within a shorter time frame compared to going it alone. Financial advisors are equipped to offer superior and tested strategies, along with a wide array of investment opportunities, enabling individuals to optimize their objectives and goals. Unfortunately, this fact remains largely unknown to those in financial hardships. Number 8. Reject complacency. To achieve financial success, individuals must continually raise the bar and set higher goals as they accumulate wealth. The wealthy seldom settle for a state of comfort. Instead, they possess an intrinsic motivation and relentless drive to reach new heights. They are well aware that earning money is a challenging endeavor that demands hard work and dedication. Regardless of the circumstances they encounter, they remain steadfastly focused on their objectives. In contrast, the poor often lack this understanding and tend to avoid from stepping outside their comfort zones, unintentionally allowing valuable opportunities to slip away. They are unaware that those who persistently push forward without giving up are the ones who ultimately reap the rewards of their efforts. Number 9. Make use of other people's money. With careful strategic planning and a clear vision for your goals, you can utilize other people's money to generate or enhance wealth. Lenders and investors are often willing to provide funds, which when used wisely, can lead to significant returns. However, it is essential to lay a solid foundation and conduct thorough research to support your borrowing endeavors. Having a well-designed business model or business plan is particularly advantageous, especially in the realm of real estate. This approach has been successfully employed by developers and land sellers who make a small initial payment on a property and gradually repay the rest from the proceeds of sales. By doing so, they can boost their earnings without using their own capital. Repeating this process consistently can result in substantial wealth accumulation. It's worth noting that individuals with limited resources may be hesitant to embrace such opportunities due to the associated high risks of not utilizing personal funds. If you have a clear destination in mind, you'll find that the risks diminish significantly. And number 10. Working for someone else might not make you rich. As an employee, you're essentially aiding someone else's success or wealth through your work. However, the ideal outcome for you is to gain valuable insights into business operations, which can serve as a foundation for starting your own business or entrepreneurial endeavor in the future. Building your savings gradually can provide a foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. The belief that working for someone else guarantees wealth is often misleading, as some individuals remain employed throughout their lives without accumulating significant wealth. The fear of risk, or the misconception that substantial capital is necessary, discourages many from venturing into their own businesses, particularly among the poor and middle class. The wealthy, on the other hand, are unhindered by such risks and actively seek opportunities to generate wealth, understanding that greater risks can lead to greater financial rewards. While employment offers a sense of security, it can be challenging to break free from its confines. The wealthy, however, are not content with such a situation, as they perpetually seek new avenues to expand their wealth. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.